Women are the backbone of the society, and today is the day to honor and appreciate them.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call all my staff and dignitaries to lead me the rally.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I stand here not just as an individual, but as a voice of every woman who has remained unheard and who struggled, sacrificed, and yet stood strong. A woman's journey begins even before her birth. In many places, she is unwanted, considered a burden, and even denied a chance to see the world. But for those who survived, life is no less than a battle. From childhood she taught to speak softly, adjust and compromise. She is expected to help at home while her brother plays outside. And as she grows, society places barriers on her dreams, telling her what she can do, what she cannot do. Yet, despite these struggles, she rises. She is the mother who wakes up before dawn and sleeps late at the night. She is the daughter who sacrifices her own desires for her family's happiness. She is the wife who supports her husband's dreams, often at the cost of her own life. She is the sister who stands like a pillar, yet is often made feel weak. And what does she get in return? Doubts, restrictions, judgments, harassments, and even rapes. If she speaks up, she is labeled too bold. If she stays silent, she is called weak. If she works, she is blamed for not taking care of family. And if she stays at home, her contributions are overlooked. Yet, she never stops. She has fought through centuries of oppression to become astronauts, scientists, CEOs, teachers, doctors, to become our leaders and warriors and many more. From Kalpana Chawla, who touched the stars, to Malala Yousafzai, who fought for the education, women have proved time and again they can achieve anything. But why should a woman have to fight for what should be naturally hers, like respect, freedom and equality? Why should she have to prove her worth when she is the one who builds the homes, raises the nations and nurtures the world? Today, I ask you all, especially my fellow students, my dear friends and my brothers, to be the voice of women in your lives. Stand by your mother when she is tired. Support your sister in her dreams. Respect your wife as your equal. Encourage your daughter to fly higher. Because empowering women doesn't mean taking power away from the men. It just means creating a world where everyone can stand together. So, a woman does not need to be given any kind of strength. She already has it. She just needs a world where she can heard, respected and allowed to shine. So let's take a pledge today to support, to respect and to stand by women in your lives. Because when women rise, the whole world rises. Thank you so much guys.
College also different. So I think the women play important role, and you should be role models and independent. And also any traditions, customs, practices to be retained.